If you want to use Python, but many Python programs cannot recognize your Python path, and when you go to the search option, open CMD, and type the Python version command, it shows an error like, Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. Here is how to fix it. If you installed Python from the Microsoft Store, which means when you go to the Microsoft Store it shows that Python is installed, then you need to uninstall that version first. If you did not install Python from the Microsoft Store, stay with me and I will show you what to do. If you installed Python from the Microsoft Store, first uninstall it. To uninstall it, go to Settings, then Apps, then scroll down and find your Python installation. After you find Python, it will show something like Python, followed by the version number. The version may be different for you, but it will start with the word Python and then the version. Click on it and then click Uninstall. This will uninstall Python. Now, everyone can follow me. Download Python from the official website. I am using this version right now, and I will provide the link to this version in the description. Then click on 64-bit or 32-bit, depending on your Windows, and it will start downloading. After it finishes downloading, go to your Downloads folder, find the Python installer, and double-click it to open. Make sure to click on Add Python.exe to path. For now, please do not click on Customize Installation. I hope you understand. Then click Install Now. It will start installing Python, and after it shows Setup Successful or Successfully Installed, continue to the next step. Go to the search bar and search for File Manager, then open it. Go to your C drive, then open the Users folder. You will see 3 folders, Default, Public, and another folder with your computer name. Open the folder with your computer name, then go to App Data, then Local. From there, click on the Programs folder. In the Programs folder, you will find a Python folder. Open it. Inside, you will see another folder named Python followed by some numbers, which represent your Python version. Open that folder and copy the location from the address bar at the top. You can select it, right-click and copy, or press Ctrl+C. Do not close the File Manager window for now. After you copy the path, go to the search bar and search for Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on it, and it will open a window. Click on Environment Variables. Then select the Path option and click Edit. Click New, and it will give you an empty line where you can paste the path you copied earlier. After pasting it, click OK, and do not close the window. Keep it in the background. Then go back to the same File Manager window you opened earlier. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard, select the Python application, right-click on it, and you will see an option called Copy as Path. Click on it to copy the exact path of the Python executable. Then return to the Environment Variables window, select Path again, click Edit, then New, and paste the path there. If the path has quotation marks, remove them because we do not need those marks. Then click OK 3 times to close all the windows. Now go to the search bar, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. Type the Python version command again. This time, it should show the Python version, which means your computer can now detect Python properly.